Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. On my way to the Planet Fitness to get my movement on. 30 minutes, 3 times a week. That's what we're doing. 30 minutes, 3 times a week. I'm not making it a challenge or anything because it's just, that's what I'm doing. So I don't want to make it a challenge for everybody because that may be a lot of movement for some people. But anyway, happy Sunday morning. I'm off to the gym. Sunday morning weigh-in. Keep in mind, I'm going to the gym now, and I just got out of the gym, so weight's going to be up a little bit more while I'm going to the gym. Alright, I got some bacon grease heating up here. Baxter is mad. The neighbor's outside working on cutting some limbs off their tree. So he is not happy about it. And he is quite vocal in his telling them all about his opinion about what they're doing. So we may be hearing some barking here, but I keep calling him in. I let him go out to say his piece of mind, and then I call him back in. I just got enough for one more of these. Well, I think I'm going to have to put the dog door in. Hang on. Hey! Come on. Come on. Anybody else out there? Come in here, Sammy Joe. Good boy. Alright. There we go. Now, I'm going to cover these up. That's some rutabaga. I'm going to cover them up. We're just going to we have enough for one round. Let me just drop that in there too. Alright, I think I did it for 3 minutes yesterday. Alright, I'll be back in 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to get them all flipped over here, and then we'll do them for 2 minutes on the other side. Yeah, it's easier to use the tongs on these. Hang on. Okay, got them all flipped over. We'll put them in for 2 minutes. Okay, let's get them out on the paper plate. And get some salt on them. And then we're going to fry up some eggs. Some salt on them. Then we'll just let them cool while while I'm frying up the eggs. Bloop. Put a little salt on this side of them. Okay. Now we're going to get some eggs going in here, but I want a little more oil in there, so hold on. Now we're going to do 3 eggs today. Put a little pepper on them. A little salt. Put a little Katie water. We'll cover them for 2 minutes. Okay, our timer just went off. And if you missed my meal prepping for the meal prep, I burned my bacon big time. But that's all right. I eat it anyway. I'm not letting it go to waste. I'm going to loosen these up. Come on, Stella. Fine. Just be that way. I'm going to deglaze it a little bit. Let some of that water evaporate. Right onto my eggs. I'm going to let that cool while I wash my skillet, and then we'll take a taste of it. My eggs are definitely cooked hard. But that's all right. That's all right. So eggs. Rutabaga. Tomato. And this poor piddly bacon. It ain't great, but I'm not letting my bacon go to waste. It's too expensive. So, all right, there's breakfast. See you. I'm going to Mom's after church. So we'll be eating out. So I'll show you, what I get. I'm sure it'll be my usual, because y'all know I love the pork steak where Mom and I go. So more than likely it'll be a pork steak, broccoli, and salad, and a water. You love what you love. Bye. Here's a fun fact. I've got you looking at the floor because I have these boots. So I have had these boots in a size 9. I got them from Torrid a while ago. They were size 9, extra wide. Okay, no big deal. Well, they were slipping when I walk, and I'm like, and they would slide all the time as I walked, and had to keep my toes kind of curled in. So I thought, I wonder if I could maybe get them in an 8.5. Now, still extra wide. But I went on the website and they only had a size 8, and it was like $25 or $28, whatever. So anyway, I went on and I got them, and these are a size 8. So such a fun, weird, non-scale victory. My shoe size is not necessarily a size 9. Maybe it's an 8.5, maybe it's an 8. I don't know, but I got these now, and they're cute. And I just got them in the mail yesterday. And so I wore them today to church. So there you go. That's a fun non-scale victory. I'm not necessarily a size 9 wide. Maybe I'm a size 8 wide or 8.5. I'll have to try it out on different shoes, but there you go. How weird and fun. So I'm at my mom's house. Hey, Mom. How you doing, buddy? And anyway, she's always got the house set on 78 degrees now. I'm cold a lot lately, but 78, no, Judy, no. So I turned it down to 75. We'll see how long it takes her to notice she's not here yet. She's gonna walk in the door and she's gonna say, "Oh my gosh, it's cold enough to hang meat in here." Don't you know, whenever she and I were on the cruise together, I guess it was last year, and when we were on the cruise and we had to share a room. Bless her little heart. Bless her cotton picking heart. She was freezing her little booty off. Anyway, so yeah, I turned it down to 75. At home, I have mine on 74, 75. Depends on what's going on. But I sure don't have it on no 78. Good night, Judy. You're going to have us die of a heat stroke in here. Okay, bye. So I ordered a side salad and some cottage cheese. And I'm putting the cottage cheese on my salad, and I ordered a pork steak. There's my pork steak. I've already eaten half of it, but that's not my rule. But look at the size of that thing. It's as big as my palm. So, and that's only half of it. So supper tonight, just got home from Mom's, and we're gonna have one of these. I got this one time before, and I was mad because it was not packaged very well. But let's see. Well, it's the same thing. Sure enough, what happened is they made it, and then let me open it and show you. This is exactly what happened to the other one. It's like it doesn't stay in a taco shape. Like, that's the shell right there. It's not in a U shape. You see that? It's like it was, but then whenever they put it in, it fell apart. And that's exactly what happened to the last one that I had. The taste wasn't bad, but that's really, really thumbs down, but anyway, it is what it is, and we're going to eat them. So let's see. I know it's already cooked. Let's do the microwave instructions. Remove tacos from packaging. Wrap one taco in a paper towel and place on a microwave safe plate. Set on defrost mode and defrost 60 seconds. So I need to wrap it in a paper towel and 60 seconds. Well, there's cheese all over it. You can't wrap it in a paper towel. There's cheese all over it. The other one is halfway decent shaped, but that's just not how this is looking. And like I said, this is exactly what happened last time. So I'm just going to cover it, and then maybe I'll put it in a bowl. I'm going to do this. In the end, it's not like well put together anyway. So let's turn it into a bowl situation. So please know that it tasted good, and I had hoped that maybe last time was kind of a fluke, but this is the second time I got one. This looks like how it probably should have looked, should have stayed in this shape, but since the other one didn't, I'm going to go on and break this one up too. So yeah, so just know that if you buy these, yeah. Let me know down in the comments if you had better luck with these. This is the chicken one. I think the other one's a beef one. But maybe it's just my McDonald's. Maybe it has to do with, or my Walmart. Maybe it has to do with the way my Walmart does their shipping. I don't know. So I'm going to put it in there. And I'm going to wash my hands. Give me just a second. Alright, so I'm going to put a paper towel over it and put it on defrost mode for, I'll probably do 90 seconds since there's two of them. So macro, since I'm eating two of them, it's 550 calories, 36 fat, 6 total carbs, 1 fiber, 2 total sugars, 0 added sugars, and 49 protein. That's all in 2 of them. So, okay, so after they microwave, like I said, 90 seconds. Then I'll do high, 45 to 60 seconds. So then I'll microwave them on high for 1 minute. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to stir this up, see what I think. Like I said, I think they're not bad. I don't think, they're bad quality. It's just the production is not very good when it comes to the tacos. I think they'd be better off not trying to make it a taco or letting them sit before they, let them turn sideways while they're still heated and trying to form into a taco shell. See if this is hot enough. Hang on. I'm going to do a little longer. Hold on. So I'm going to put on some guacamole just for a little extra something. We know there's plenty of cheese because we saw that. So we're going to add a little guacamole. I'm going to stir that in. I don't have any like sour cream or yogurt. But let's stir in the guacamole. That's 100 calories, so that brings us up to 650. I'm going to drop in a few tomatoes. Look for some little ones. Little. You're a baby. Here's some babies. Baby and baby. All right, now let's taste it and see what we think. Good flavor, just poor display. I guess display, poor production. I don't know, but good flavor. So yeah, that's gonna be my supper. That and some fruit. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.